Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. I love to share my subscription boxes, and I think for August I'm down to my last two. Is that right? I think so. So I have my Ice Cream Beauty box and also my Ice Cream Beauty bag. So we'll take a look at these and let's get started. Okay friends, I think I'm going to start with the bag first. And so I already know I'm getting two palettes. So there's a palette in the bag and the box. Usually that's the case. And I pull the palette out usually last, but I'm going to do it first this time. So in the box there's a palette. This is, it's called Electro Eyeshadow Palette. And this is by Medusa's Makeup. And the value on this is $25. Is that right? 25? Yeah. Okay, so let's take a look at it. There we go. So, looks bright on the outside and also looks bright on the inside. So there's the color story. I probably am not going to sample these because I'll probably end up giving this away because I have so many palettes. But I love all these. This bottom row is all shimmer, which I'm really into shimmers right now, so I really like that. It's very bold and fun. So anyway, that's the first item I have here. The next item I'm going to pull out is, I have 4 items in here. The next thing, I'm pulling out 2, and this is Medusa's Makeup again. This is called Witch Sash, and let's see what this is. So this is the Lash Step. I'm not going to open it because it's got plastic all around it, but this I believe is a primer, an eyelash primer. I don't think it's white. I think it's just a clear color. So that's kind of cool. I think I might want to try that. I don't have very many lash primers. And then they sent from Medusa's Makeup. This is eyelash mascara. And let's see. It says it's a mini size. Looks kind of big for a mini, but well. Anyway, so there's that. So these two go together. I think that's kind of cool. You know, Ice Cream Beauty, I think they curate their boxes really well. They do a lot of coordinating. I also like the way they have seasons. Like I remember they killed it in last October for Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Everything was pink and it was just, anyway. So they're known to do that. And so I like the fact that you don't, with the primer, you also get a mascara. So that's 2 and 3. Now our last thing in here is probably going to be a lip, which they always do. This one is from Zeesea Cosmetics. And this is a $14 value. It says a glossy lip tint. By the way, the mascara mini is $12 and the mascara primer is $18. So 18 and 12. And then this right here from Zeesea, it's just got the cute little, looks like it has Cinderella on it. So there's that. And I'm gonna open it up. Okay, it's really cute packaging, but this looks kind of dark for me, but actually it matches like what I'm wearing exactly. So I don't know, I might try it. Might be too dark for me, but let's see. I already have this color kind of on, so. Doesn't taste good. Okay, it's kind of thin. I don't know if I like that or not. I think Thin is okay if it has staying power. So anyway, very cute though. I own it now. Like I said, it matches this, and I think it's going to be a light tint, so not too, okay. Actually really like that. So there's the color. Yeah, it feels pretty good. So anyway, all right. So I got the 2 lash products, the lip product, and this eyeshadow palette. And this is my bag, my Ice Cream Beauty bag, $12.50 a month plus shipping and handling. So it comes to about $16.50. So anyway, not bad though. You always get a palette. This I'm a little underwhelmed. This palette wasn't, I mean, it was okay to have a palette, but it wasn't really me. So anyway, now let's get to the box. All right, let's see what the box has in it. I did kind of get in it and clean out the padding. So there's a look at it. So I'm just gonna pull out what's on top. And this item, I am like so excited about this item. I wish I would have brought it in. I have it in my other room. Darn. Okay, so last month in Ice Cream Beauty Box, we got a bronzer. It was beautiful package, like this. And this is from, let's see here. Let's see. Blossom Blush by Palace Identity. And this is a $42 value. It's hiding right here because it comes in this little black velvet pouch, and this looks exactly like the bronzer that we got last month. The packaging was everything. Look at that. It just hangs there. So this is the blush. I have the bronzer that matches it. And let's open it up and take a look. Okay, so there it is inside. Let's see. It's kind of peachy tones. I don't know if it's me or not. It could be. That's what it looks like. So anyway, I love anything with cool packaging, so that's really fun. It's kind of heavy duty. So anyway, nice little blush palette, and like I said, that was valued at $42. The next thing I'm pulling out of my box is right here. Let's see what this is. It looks like a lip product. It's from Fantasy Cosmetica. And this is, let's see what we got here. Okay, this is a Lost Library lipstick. Okay. Okay, I guess this brand people had been asking is one of the most asked for brands. Lost Library is so cute. Look at that little library on the packaging. Okay, so the lip product is just as cute. Look at that. So cute. Okay, I like the way it opens here. Now let's see what the color is. Okay. No, it looks really red right there, huh? Okay, let's see. Let's take a look at it. Yeah, it's definitely a red. Kind of a poppy color. I don't know. It could be a good fall color. I don't know. It's either, yeah. It's almost more of a summer red, bright. Summer, spring, summer. But anyway, so there's that. Once again, the color. And so we're moving on here to the next thing. I've got another thing from Medusa's. This one is, let's see. This is eyeshadow pigment by Medusa's Makeup. It's just a little tiny, these have been a popular item from the brand. And this is a blue pigment. If I can get it open here. I'm probably not going to use this either. I'm not super blue gal. Although I have tried blue and I like a glitter. All right, so that's what it looks like. And see if I can open it up. Take a look inside. Okay, it's very, very, I kind of like that. It's very glittery, which I like. So I don't know. I may try this. I may try it. So anyway, that's that. That's a less expensive item. It's valued at $12 for that. The next thing I have in here is this. I believe is a face palette. It's called Sculpting Contour Palette by Babe Beauty. So let's see if I can get this open and we can see what this is all about. Okay. This is valued at $45. So wow. Doesn't feel super heavy duty, but it is a real pretty golden. Let's see what we got here. Okay. So it's more, it looks more like a bronzing palette to me. You could maybe use this as a highlighter or a contour. Let me see if it's, okay, it is powder, but it almost, does it feel like a, I don't know, it feels a little bit creamy, but it's pretty much just powder. So anyway, there's that. And so $45 value. That's our fourth item. Our last and final item is an eyeshadow palette. This is the El Camino palette. And this is also by, it's a Gorman Girls plus Lady Glow. And it's valued at $35. We got a choice of palettes. There was two. I think the other one had lots of blues and greens. This one was more a little bit of everything, but I really like some of the shades here. I think they could go well together. This might be a palette I would use. So let me sample a couple of them. Okay, it's very pigmented. There's 3 colors from the top row. And then let's see what we got here. Let's go with a shimmer. That, shimmer purple.
I found this on the web.
Siri's talking to me. Did you hear that? I have no idea why. Look at that gold. Look at those. Those are kind of a chromey color. I like the formula. I'm feeling this. I really like it. So, yeah. Yeah. So this is fun. This is a fun palette. I will likely be using that myself. So that's my 5th item. So here we go. We've got the El Camino palette. We've got the face palette. I like this because they have almost a full face here. The face palette with the bronzer. We've got a blush here. We've got a lipstick. And what was the... 1, 2, 3, 4. There's one more thing. Oh, the blue eyeshadow, electrochrome. So anyway, that's pretty fun. I like it. So that's the Ice Cream Beauty box. Let me know what you think. Do you guys get this beauty box? The box is $20, I think is what I pay. It was okay. It was not the best. I keep saying I'm probably going to get rid of Ice Cream Beauty box. So maybe I'll just keep it till the end of the year and then get rid of it, or at least get rid of one of them, either the box or the bag. And I appreciate you guys being here. I appreciate your support. And I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.